Good morning, traders. It's Chris. This is the early morning briefing. It's very early. Well, 7:15 in the UK. And, well, first of all, gold on the price action charts, as we can see, moved up into liquidity. We sold it at 23.45 early this morning. If you were up and heading for our target, first target 23.33, and then on to possibly 23.19. On your second trade, if you've got the signal, then what I would do is once it hits the target, which is going to be in the next few minutes, then I would then move your stop to break even. We've got more inflation data today at 1:30, so New York session will be very interesting again. Now let me just go through a few things just to help you along. There's quite a bit going on today, and I put those in the Forex signal group. Possible move on the pound yen. I don't see any liquidity here, which means that the volumes are fairly light at this stage, but there is liquidity on the yen, and we've got positive divergence as well. So this is highly likely to move higher. New Zealand Swiss, I posted this one as well in the last few minutes. And we've got a lovely fresh buy signal there. Euro New Zealand, I posted this one in the last few minutes into liquidity zone, which is the key. Once you get correlation coming in to the chart, then that's a perfect combination and what we call convergence. What else is going on? Just having a look around. Euro Aussie is a good trade if you fancy that down to 163.77. Stop up here at 165.20. The pound Aussie is another good one. However, if you notice here, the long-term trend is up. So the better trade is this Euro Aussie pointing down, albeit slightly. New Zealand Canadian. This was posted in the Forex signal group. If you're not in it, then just let me know. Into liquidity, positive divergence, happy days, we're making money. So congratulations to you guys. What else? Let me just have a look around. I haven't seen some of these. So Aussie yen's looking positive. I did mention that the yens are getting ready for a big move. Looks like it's happening right now. So get ready for that. New Zealand yen. Going against us now, so we're closing the short-term trade on this one. Canadian yen. Oh, this looks good, doesn't it? So this is a trade, positive divergence. I missed this one, so let's do some live analysis. We've got positive divergence here onto liquidity, uptrend. Let's go for a you can put the stop at the swing low of the previous candle and then go up to the line here. So you've got a stop of 111.57 and a target of 112.90. Let's call it. Let's make that green. Look at the dollars. Now, of course, we've got the inflation data again this afternoon, so the dollars will be more volatile, of course. There's nothing really going on to shout about. The US yen is our favorite. We're long that anyway. Went parabolic, so this is going to go up and up and up. Big move to 156 on this one. Gold, as I say, this is now moving down into this area here. 2033.86 is one of our targets in 23.29. So now we wait for gold actually, because this bounce down into this area is going to be red hot for a buy. So look out for that. Silver is copying gold at the moment, but there is a buying opportunity here. Just make sure your stop is below 27.70, heading for 28.84. Bitcoin, congratulations if you are in the Forex signal group. This was posted last night as it broke this downtrend yesterday. Lovely move, heading to 73,173, but it is going much higher. Oil, well, as you can see, it's at the top range here. It's not coming to liquidity, which would be interesting because we could have had a sell on this. But nonetheless, lots of trades going on. Let's have a look at the FTSE. FTSE 100 doing nothing so far. It's pre-London Open, so this is probably going to take it to 80, 96 in the next couple of hours. So it'll be interesting to see the analysis, the full analysis for VIP members this afternoon. I'll be doing that just for you guys. If you're a member, then of course we'll be jumping into the yens.